Hey everybody, Eric Whitley here, and welcome back to another L2L tips and tricks video. Hey, do you do daily tier meetings out on the shop floor but need a better way to manage those action items as they move up the tiers? L2L has a solution for you. Really simple. What you're going to do is you're going to use L2L's Cloud Dispatch. And in Cloud Dispatch, when an issue is created out on the shop floor, that dispatch is going to be created inside of L2L. If this is something that needs to be moved up through the management tier session, what you do is you go in and you set up tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 dispatch types. And then from the shop floor in your tier 1 meeting, you can simply come in here. You're going to create a follow-up, and then you're going to create a follow-up dispatch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in and choose that tier that you want to choose it to. So let's go tier 2. We're going to move this problem up to a tier 2 meeting, and I'm going to create that. Now I've just created a follow-up dispatch that's going to be in tier 2. And if I go down, and if I show you that I've just now created this dispatch that's going to show up in tier 2. When I get to my tier 2 meeting, then I can sort all my dispatches and show them as tier 2 and then decide whether I want to advance that up. Let's say I needed to move that up to the management team and needed to go to a tier 3. I would simply create a follow-up for this one, go tier 3, and then when they meet, they can go into L2L, sort out all their tier 3s, and see all of the issues that have been advanced up to them in their tier meeting. Okay, really cool way to manage your tiers. Really cool way to manage the action items that move up through the tiers and have them not get lost in transit. All right, if you'd like to learn more, go to L2L.com and we'll show you all about how to set this up and request a free demo, and we'll go in and show you all the other cool features of L2L as well. Follow us on all our social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and go over to YouTube and check out our videos there, and go check out the rest of our tips and tricks video. Again, Eric Whitley signing out. Thanks.